when I talk about chi, right? Chi or ki or prana. And there are a lot of people take it really seriously, and they do qigong. Now, when they do qigong, is it good for them? Yeah, it is. They're generally healthier and happier and feel their bodies more and stuff like that. Also keeps them off the street, All right. Is it real? No. No. It's not real. It's not something that exists on its own. It's an invention of human minds that creates an explanation for something that, in my view, they misunderstood. But in any case, see. But when you tell people, oh, no, it's something you invent, something you do, and there are more powerful ways to do it, they fall right down through the pit of despair. They become a drunk on the street rather than, train their qigong. Because it's not real now. Oh, do you understand the insanity of that? Say, no, you don't. Okay. I know it is. It's really quite insane. You tell people, or you show them, this is something you're doing. Say, you're doing it. You're creating it, you're inventing it, and it works for you. You can make it work for you. You can do all sorts of stuff. You could be healthier and more vital or whatever, you see. You could do all these things with that. But it's something you're inventing. It's something you're doing. And then they don't do it. But if I tell them that it comes from an ancient Tibetan mountain, with the purple berries and has a certain, it's in the books, see, and you got to do this and you got to do that, and it's this thing and then that thing, and Kundalini and the sha and the zoom and the zap, you see, and then people go, oh yeah, okay, I'm going to train this, I'm going to work with this. This is true, isn't it? See, and they will put a lot of time and energy into it. Whereas if I say, no, you're inventing it, oh, screw it. Let's go get McDonald's. I don't know why you're so hung up on McDonald's. Is it?
Yeah, but what would you consider real then? Because you say Qigong is not real, but survival neither. I mean, it's
I'm just talking about in the relative world. So I'm speaking about, existentially, which is to say, so the distinction I'm making there, right? Yeah, good, is whether something exists by itself. It's inherent in the distinctions we make of reality. You see? It's existentially true in that sense. You see? And so chi is not. There's nowhere to find it, See, mind is not. There's nowhere to find it. Huh?
A tree is real, for example, you would say.
Yes, a tree is real as itself for what it is. Yeah. It's not actually real as a tree. See, because for us, a tree is a tree, So, anyway, but yeah. See, and experience is real, and feeling is real itself. See, attention is real, awareness is real. These are things that are occurring in our experience, distinctions we make, which we say are there. We don't know what they are, perhaps, see, but we say they exist. And I got, all right, see, so that's a distinction. Right, but mind is not, see, and yet we live as if it is. See, and then when we start doing things like, chi or ki or prana or something like that, or kundalini or chakras like that, is it useful? Sure. Is it fun? Yeah. Can you make something out of it? Sure can. See, that seems to relate to reality? Sure, of course. Of course. Is it real? No. It's an invention. See the difference? See? People invent it. It's like every martial art's an invention. Could a martial art be invented that's useful? Yeah. I got one over here. See? Is it an invention? Sure. How do you know it's an invention? Because I invented it! For one, you see. But this is always true. No matter where it comes from, it's an invention.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.